Welcome back to I Had an Idea. Today we're going to keep working on the kitchen ceiling, but I made a little bit of a mistake. We are not ready to hang material today. We need to move the kitchen ceiling light first. It's not in the center of the room. It looks awkward. It cannot stay there. We have to move it just 6 inches. So stick with me. Let's get this done. And hopefully that's about the last thing we need to do before we can start hanging material. Well, here it is. This is our lamp, our light fixture for the kitchen ceiling. And previous owners, anyway, someone had a light fixture, and you can just barely see the hole back there. It's not in the center of the room. And for those of us with a little bit of OCD, a 6-inch difference makes a lot of difference. When you walk into the room, you can tell, or I can tell, that it's not in the right spot. In fact, that X right there, that's the right spot. That is the center of the room. And that was put up there on the furring strip by someone who was putting the old drop ceiling in place. So the goal for today is to rewire the lamp. Well, I shouldn't say rewire, but we're gonna just take it right down, and we're gonna move it over 6 inches, and we should be able to do that without too much trouble, assuming that the old wiring that supplies the power is long enough to do that. There's a little teeny, one of the thin, like half-inch thin junction boxes up there that's just screwed to the furring strip. So the electricity's already off, so even though I'm unsupervised today, there should not be any electrocutions. So cross your fingers. Here we go. Just in case anybody doesn't trust me here. Yeah, great. That's fantastic. It still says it's live even though the circuit breaker's off. So hopefully, not what I planned on, but not sure how that's possible when the circuit breaker's off. Easy part's done. Let's test that again just for good measure. I wonder. I'm gonna try this guy here. Yeah, that one says it's dead. Power from the switch. Yeah, there's nothing there. Oh, got it. Okay, I think I see. But yep, we got to get that furring strip out of there. Otherwise, we are going to run into our ceiling material. This is where the ideas tend to go wrong, because there was an extra step we didn't plan on. And all of a sudden something else, something else breaks. I don't know. Oh, that plaster right there is soft. And I want to keep that furring strip. I want to keep this one. There we go. Got just 3 nails in there. One more to break loose. really, that would pretty good. I can live with that. That'll allow me to secure that better, and it won't interfere with the beadboard when we go putting that up, because that'll just stay right there between those furring strips. I need one that has no extra whatsoever, so I've got to go find. Oh, that's not good. Nail touching the junction box. There. Potential electrical problem gone now. Didn't want to short circuit that. So we need to get just a real short piece of wire to jumper that in to our and just like that, I think we're ready to put the light fixture back up. Fixture's in the right spot, and in real time, that's about 20 minutes, and no electrocutions. So all that's left for us to do now, turn the circuit breaker back on. I'm gonna call that a success. Yeah, we don't have any fires starting, so that's a good thing. We have light. It's now in the middle of the room, and I managed to do it. Well, it has been a week now since moving the kitchen light. We have absolutely no issues whatsoever. You know what that means? Time to buy materials. So thanks for watching. Come back next time. Help us hang the new ceiling.